Hello everyone, for more updates subscribe, turn on bell icon. There's more to airplane mode than just flight safety. If you own a mobile phone, you must be familiar with that little airplane icon that put your device on airplane mode. But what is airplane mode exactly? What does it do? The airplane mode is a common feature in the world of mobile phones. Almost every mobile phone in today's world has this function, so watch the video till end. You will know all about airplane mode. What is airplane mode? The airplane mode is a feature on your mobile device, which, when activated, turns off all the wireless functions of such a device. It is designed to make devices safe for use on planes. Hence, the name airplane mode. If these radio functions are on, they will emit electromagnetic interference that could prevent the proper functioning of the flight. You can still use your phone to do things that doesn't require a radio signal or internet. What does airplane mode do? Once you turn on airplane mode on your smartphone, functions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data connection, and cellular voice connection will be turned off until you switch off the airplane mode. What are these functions, and what do they do? Let's find out below. Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is a connection module that allows your device to connect to wireless internet, routers, or networks around you. Cellular. The cellular service that allows your device to access mobile network, both for calling and data connection, is turned off. Bluetooth. This is another wireless function that facilitates connectivity between your device and other devices around you, including another device, a computer, or peripherals. GPS. This smartphone feature is an advanced system that helps to determine your exact location, speed of travel, elevation using satellites orbiting the planet. You cannot use any of these features once your device is on airplane mode. Why do you need airplane mode? If you are the type that gets on planes frequently, then you will have heard flight attendants asking you and other passengers on the plane to turn off your electronic devices completely or put them on airplane mode. So, do you have to keep your phone on airplane mode the entire flight? Probably not. Allow me to explain. Cell phones are known to emit electromagnetic signals due to the components inside them. If these signals are transmitted while a plane is in flight, it can lead to audible interference on the radios of the aircraft. When this happens, there is a block in radio frequency for a couple of seconds, during which the pilots and the air traffic control cannot communicate effectively. Turning airplane mode off will ensure that the pilots do not have a hard time navigating the plane, and getting you to your destination safely. Summarily, smartphones that are not on airplane mode prevents the proper functioning of the plane. But the real reason why you have to put your phone on airplane mode on flights is because of federal regulations. Federal Communications Commission (FCC) rules prohibit the use of cell phones on planes in order to protect against radio interference to cell phone networks on the ground. What is airplane mode used for? Airplane mode is used for a couple of things other than ensuring your safety and the proper functioning of the plane while in flight. What are these things? Let's find out below. Point 1. Save battery life. Wireless and radio connection expends most of the battery juice on any smartphone. So, when the phone is on airplane mode, it means less battery juice is used up. So, the battery can last longer. When you're out of signal range, your phone will constantly try to connect to the nearest cell tower. This will significantly drain your phone battery. So whenever you're in this type of situation, turning airplane mode on extend the battery life on your phone. 2. Stay focused, avoiding distractions. Without airplane mode turned on, your phone can send and receive texts and phone calls. You can also surf the internet and keep in touch with your friends on instant messaging platforms. These may distract you from focusing on tasks at hand. However, putting your phone on airplane mode can save you from these distractions. 3. Speed up charging. Everyone wants their phone to charge up really fast. One way to achieve this is to turn on the airplane mode. This puts off the wireless and radio functions, thus helping the phone to charge faster. 4. Travel. Airplane mode is compulsory if you are flying. Most planes will have issues flying correctly if passengers fail to put their phones on airplane mode. However, you can put your smartphone on airplane mode while traveling via other means of transportation to avoid distractions from calls, texts, and chats. 5. Other personal uses. Some smartphone users want their devices on airplane mode for different personal reasons, including a. resetting their wireless connection to fix inconsistencies. Toggling the airplane mode works just like restarting the device. While the latter takes time, you can turn your airplane mode off and on in seconds. B. Securing their devices. You can keep your phones from the prying eyes of an intruder or thief by making it impossible to track and ensuring that it doesn't ring out as a result of a call or text notification. C. Living the moment. It is difficult for some smartphone users to stay committed to a chat or be in the moment when their devices are active. However, putting their phones on airplane mode helps them to enjoy what they are doing. D. Avoiding disturbance. If you want good quality time to yourself, putting your phone on airplane mode will mean you have one less thing to worry about while you relax. Thanks for watching.